How to create charts in Notion without Google Sheets. So go ahead and open Notion and make sure that your account is logged in into the app. Now we need to open browser and type in notion2charts.com. In this website, click on Get Started for free and connect your Notion account to be able to use the charts that they're providing. Once you click on the Connect Notion, you will be directed to this window where you need to click on Select Pages. Now you can choose the pages that you want to put some charts into, or you can choose the whole Notion. Just make sure that you have a database available on that Notion page. Now allow access, and that will bring you to this page. From here, click on Create Chart. These options will then show, so just choose whatever you need. So for example, I will use this pie chart. Now this is why your page needs database. In here, you need to select the data that you want to turn into a chart. So for example, I will choose this one. After that, click on Next. In here, you can edit the settings of your chart. So edit the label and choose the table that you want to put in your X and Y axis. Once you're done editing, click on Create Chart. And from here, you can edit the chart type, label, colors, data labels, and the like to improve the image of your chart. Now, to bring this into your Notion page, click on Get Embed Link on the upper right corner of your screen. Copy the link first, go to the Notion app, and paste the link where you want to put the chart. Choose Create Embed between these three, and as you can see, the chart is now transferred into the Notion page. So that is how to create chart on Notion without Google Sheets. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.